You can't take it with you.
Oliver. Yeah. I mean, you can see everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
You think I'm doing enough with my powers, with my time here?
Well, Barry, you tell me. Do you give people hope? Are you moving through your city like a guardian angel? Do you make a difference? That bolt of lightning chose you. Don't ever forget it.
I don't think that bolt of lightning struck you, Barry. I think it chose you. I'm just not sure I like you, Oliver. I don't know if I can be some vigilante. You can be better. Because you can inspire people in a way that I never could. Watching over your city like a guardian angel, making a difference, saving people in a flash.